Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with more from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was held here in Mesa, Arizona. And so this is basically the make and take and what we received and the projects we made, but also because I'm not sure, I get this every year and I think it's because I am an all-weekend cropper. If you know the information, leave it in the description box below. But you get $20 in coupons to use at the Keep It Simple booth, which is the I think which is who puts on the expo, or they're the main sponsor, something like that. But so this is the stuff that I got with my coupons. And so I got these button embellishments. Sorry if there's a glare. And I got these enamel heart and circles, as well as a paper pack, 12 by 12 sheets, double-sided, 2 of each, and then this cut apart as well. And it's all scrapbooking and crafting related to the expo. So I have some pictures of the that I've taken at the expo, not as many, but in previous years I've taken some and I still need to scrap those. So I actually received in previous years these paper packs too, and I want to say, oh yeah, on the sticker collection that I got, it does say the year. So if you saw my previous video about the expo, they did give out 2020 memorabilia instead, because those were already printed and they did not get a chance to use it, and they couldn't order the 2021 in time. If you sign up for everything, maybe you were here last year, you'll get it, or I don't know. That would be nice though, especially if you have people who've been collecting for every year, you know. So that's the stuff that I use for my coupon. And this is the make and take. You get this book when you check in. We also got from the sponsors Total Tiffany. We got this Totally Tiffany. We got one of her 12 by 12 paper carriers. I'm actually not sure what it's really called, but it has all my make and take stuff in it. We also, Glue Dot is a sponsor, and we got 4 different types of Glue Dot rolls. So that, and one more. So those are the 2 rolls. We also received the Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend marker. It's an exclusive giveaway by Be Creative. So thank you, Be Creative. And I think that might have been it. That might have been it. Yeah, so you get all of this stuff free, and like I said, it was a smaller scaled one because everybody's just coming out of COVID, you know, so maybe a lot of the vendors weren't ready to do an expo or whatever the case. There's shipping issues across the country, so who knows. So the first make and take we did was this little tag here, and every year they do this little tag. It is by Crazy Creations. I did get started on my tag, so I rushed a little, and you can tell. Also, if you gave them your email address, you got a free product. And if you don't, these are like, well, you'll see. You do the sticker with the glitter on the inside. Have you guys ever made this project? But yeah, see, I didn't even finish putting it together. And my thing doesn't line up because, you know, by the time I did it, they were done. So my words, you could barely see them. But it's still cute, and I could always move it down. It will fit, but because this is board, you know, veneer, I can't cut it or trim it. I could like add some purple flowers up here to cover up this, maybe. So that's why it's not complete. But they also give you this free one inside too. Is there glare? Sorry. So you get the stickers. Okay, so here comes some honesty. I have, maybe from last year, not last year, the year before, or the year before that, bought a whole bunch of these stickers, the glitter paper, the little album to put them in, and I've never used them. That's one confession for Expo that I have. I buy all these projects, I have every intention of doing them, and then I just never do them. So let me know in the comments below if you're the same way. But yeah, so that was the first make and take. And so this stuff is all free. It comes with your mega make and take. They do move fairly quick. It's like a half hour a project. And usually when it's a busier or more vendors at an expo, like it's really like move it, move it. But you know, they're pretty basic projects, so you can work at them your own pace if, you know, if it doesn't bother you. Some people, they're really like, no, I gotta do it while the instructor's doing it. And that can get nerve-wracking, so yeah. Another project we did was from Riley and Company. They were not there at the show, but they did send this project for us to do. So I believe they were a sponsor as well. If you've ever been to convention, they also have like deals going on in between the make and takes, like, and they only have deals for the make and take croppers. Most of it is like clearance stuff, but yeah, so you can get it really cheap and you don't have to fight the regular crowd. Also, they have a table like of giveaway stuff. They have dollar tables. And so I picked some stuff up to give away to you guys. So I'll go over that. I'm just looking for my Riley and Company project. I know what I did with it. Of course, it's gonna be the last one I pull out. Yes, it is. There's my project. But now that it's empty, you can get a better look. It is a 12 by 12. It has these beautiful handles at the top for carrying. It's great to put paper in for you to take on the go. And mine fits in my bag very well, so I just take, not like I've been going to crops, but that's what I envision doing, is putting some paper in there and holding it nice and sturdy. So here's my Riley and Company project. And they give you extra stuff. They give you all the materials for the most part. You just gotta bring glue, cutting supplies, you know, their basic tools. But here's how the project should look. There's the extra cows they gave us. Not sure. I think it was to make it sturdy if you wanted to make a pin. I don't know. And then they give you their contact information where you can shop. But how cute is the card? Why do cows wear bells? Because their horns don't work. How cute. So they were already colored and I believe fussy cutted. So yeah, you know, stuff you can do easy, really fast. So that's Riley and Company. Then our next project was from Petticoat Parlor, and this one was pretty too. So Petticoat Parlor, this was our project we did. We just made an A2 size card. They gave us the bling. Like I said, we had to fussy cut out the flowers. You could leave them flat, dimensional. Mine's is a little smashed from being packed with everything. They gave us the die cut, the base, and just, yeah, we just assembled. So that was from Petticoat Parlor. Photo Play's project was fun. They also, lots of scraps from this one because they gave us the whole sheet, the whole sticker sheet. And then we could decide what stickers we wanted to use if you did not want to go by their directions. But it is from the Kringle collection, Kringle and Company collection. And in these they have the directions, so you could redo the card at home if you wanted to, but you know, they had it all scored and cut and you just assembled. But this is my card I made. Oh, did you see him? Look at that, how fun! Yeah, so this is my holiday card with the gnomes. So that was a fun project. It was a little more time consuming, a little confusing, but people got it. Yeah, it was good. So that one was from Photo Play. Photo Play is also a, if I'm not mistaken, a local company here in Arizona. Love local. So the next sponsor or project we made was from Rubbernecker. This one was fun. So everything was cut out already. We just needed to assemble, and we made a slimline die. You had the choice however you wanted to do it. You know, their example went horizontal. I made mine vertical. They did gift us with some Christmas sentiment stamps as well. Merry Christmas, season's greetings. So thank you, Rubbernecker. But this is my card. I love how it came out, and whoa, I'm not sure why we had the toothpick. Maybe it was to poke out any dots that weren't poke out, because they cut everything. Like I said, we just assembled. And I just popped these circles up on foam dots, but I don't know. It gives it kind of a dimension. If you hold it to the side, you can see the red paper in the back. So, but yeah, and they gifted us these critters. They were all cut out already from ephemera. So that was my Rubbernecker slimline card. Then Craft and Creativity, they were there. I don't know what happened. I think I was shopping. I didn't see or hear. I came back and they were in the middle of the directions already. They had started the project. Sorry for the crinkling. But it's supposed to be a slimline card with a bookmark. It's cute. Mine's is difficult to put back in. I have to like lift it, make sure, because it's, I don't know if I glued it wrong or what I did, but I almost feel like I want to just put it on the inside. And I made it a shaker. But yeah, so that was the slimline card we made for Craft and Creativity. And then Sean from Scrappy Boy Stamps. This is his first year, I think, at the expo. Mary Poppins! I love that he did Mary Poppins. Whoa, whoa. We got an extra Mary Poppins to color. He did give us directions. He used Copics. So he told us all of the colors he did use. We also was gifted this penguin from him. And this penguin is only available at Expo. So, only Expo people get the penguin. So this is how my card came out. Practically perfect in every way. So love it. Thank you, Sean from Scrappy Boy Stamps. And then, Tall Mouse, Creative Arts. Okay, my memory stick ran out of memory. So, yeah, so Creative Mouse. This is just my scraps, but check it out. Look at what we were gifted from Creative Mouse. The slimline die. This was my first slimline die. I don't have any slimline dies. This is my very first one, so I'm so excited. And this is the project we made. They had everything cut out already. We just assembled. This is my scraps that I had. They gave us some jewels to embellish our card with, and then they gave us a cut apart to use. And that's what my project looks like. Thank you, Tall Mouse. Thank you, thank you. And then Karen Bernstein, she was not there, but she did send a project for us to do. And how cute is this card? I love that it goes up like that. So there's a mechanism. I wonder if they sell the die. I didn't even try to ask or anything. It was a little tricky trying to figure out though. You know these pop-up mechanisms like which way, da-da-da. But yeah. Came out perfect. So I just have a extra plate piece. But yeah, so that was Karen Bernstein. Thank you. And then the Keep It Simple was the last one. Save the best for last. And so this was my scrapbook page. I believe my battery is gonna die next, so let me just hurry this up. Sorry. All the crinkling. So this is the scrapbook page that we made. You are perfect. So 12 by 12 scrapbook page. And then we also had enough to make just blank on the inside. And then we also made an A2 size card, and I put all the scraps in this package here. But they gave us the ribbon, the ephemera, the cardstock, the patterned paper, the buttons. So yeah, so those were my make and take projects. And the make and take always sells out. So here in Mesa anyway, it does. I mean, people were on their Facebook page, the Scrapbooks Facebook page, you know, posting desperately, if you have an extra ticket, I will buy it. So, you know that it is worth it if people are trying to get sold out tickets. But it is fun. The projects are awesome. So yeah. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you for being a subby. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please like the video. Consider sharing it with a crafty friend. Let me know if you're a Scrapbook Expo person and what expos actually come to your town that you visit. Leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about them. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!